Hey, what's up AMP holders? So this is live price prediction of AMP coin weather, and definitely this time the AMP price will very badly fail us down. So I decide to make a video for my viewers, my subscriber, and definitely for new holder to be safe from the loss now. What experts says about AMP weather and those days absolutely can this coin will give you a profit or not weather. AMP my friend, and this time very badly fails down minus 8.15%. The price will decrease now, and the price you can see here the highest price is 0.06 USD dollar, but the current price is 0.05 USD dollar. So it's a very bad difference now my friend in the price is decreased now. So definitely in upcoming 2 or 3 days there is a chance, experts says my friends, to AMT where more fails down. So kindly holder, if you are a short term investor, so I think you will need to do this my friends to stop my friend investing more, and definitely starting selling, because my brother the price will more fails down. So definitely you will be lost now. So kindly, but if you are a long time investor, then don't sell it my friend. This is my personal experience, because I am also holder of for a long time, I invest for a long time. So definitely you will need my friends to hold for a long time, and don't see my friend this short jump short fails. Definitely you will need my friends to hold it for a long time, and I am 100% sure to after 1 year to 2 year my friends, they will give you a profit and they will make you millionaire now. So AMP holder, kindly do this. I hope they will make you millionaire now. See you next time holder. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.